for take and turn fashion. But anyway, cut long story short, we're not going to get into that right now, guys. I link up with Raja. Yeah, man, Raja is a friend of mine from Somerset, and y'all you all out there that have been following the Yard Life family, you know the energy go. Yeah, man, Raja is just a neighbor. Yeah, man, brother from another mother. But we're not have to get into that, guys. Raja, him is a man like me. Yeah, man, him hunt wild and so on and so forth. So earlier on, before now, him catch two youngsters. Yeah, man, two young hog and him carry them home, man. You know, have them a yard in a pen, and trust me, guys, it's a blessing to see them. I first me get to see them at this state so calm. Yeah, man, normally when you see them in the hills, trust me, I know nothing pretty. But take a close up, guys, and look. This is the meat, what I said, Jamaican wild hog.